Hello and welcome to the demo of COURSIUM. COURSIUM was created so that you can quickly and easily create e-learning courses so you can profit without having to deal with all the stress of actually creating courses. This is done with 3 simple steps. First step is to upload your video. Now you don't even have to have an actual video. We provide you with a whole bunch of video courses to get you started selling your e-learning courses quickly. But the easiest way to do this is to grab an e-learning course directly from YouTube. Now you go to YouTube and, for example, search for affiliate marketing for beginners and then click on filters and turn on Creative Commons. These are free videos that you can legally use for your own courses. So here's one on how to start marketing. So I click on this one and then I grab the URL. Then back in COURSIUM, I click on Add New. Then go to the video language, and in this case, it is English, so I click on YouTube, paste my URL, and then it uploads the video. That is step 1. Now step 2 is to create your video page. Click on Video Pages. We're going to add one now. We're going to call this our CPA training course. Description could be CPA training. And then we can give it our own subdomain location, CPA training. Here you can add a logo to the video player as well. We can decide if you want to show video count and publishing date. You can change the text on the open button as well. Let's make it say start. Now if you're going to charge for access to this course, you can add a password here. This is where you make your money. So let's set the password for this page as CPA. So the customer will pay you through your PayPal link or your Stripe link on your sales page, and then they will simply get the password from you as a permission to then watch the e-learning course. Here's where you can set it so that the course only shows on your domain. Over here, you can put additional HTML code as well, and then save that, and now you have a page ready to go. Step 3 is to add your e-learning courses to your new page. Click on Video under Projects. Click Open on the first video you want to add to the page. Then click on the Embed Code button. In the Embed Code windows, you will have various ways you can show the video with the transcription. We're going to go with the text on the bottom and further customize the player. You can fully customize each course with colors, reactions, text, all kinds of features. You can add to it as well, and then you can grab the code and copy the code and save the changes. Then click on Video Pages, open up your CPA training course. You're going to set up your page, and here you add the embed code, just paste it right in. Save it. Page settings have now been updated. Now we're going to open the page. As you know, we had a password protection on our page. Our password was CPA. Open that page. This is your e-learning course. That's how you build an e-learning course page here in COURSIUM. 3 simple steps: upload your video, create your page, and add your e-learning courses to the page. Go ahead and get access to COURSIUM today.